My piece is the first self-portrait I've ever done in like 10 years of art education.
The idea behind my art pieces, I really like recycling.
A lot of my pieces are based on the body. I really am quite interested in shape and texture.
I am actually a humanities student. Was just excited to see what would happen.
I work with artists or organizations to curate exhibitions of other people's artworks. But within AAU, I get to take these studio art classes and really understand more of the processes there are. This class has been a lot about like having art in community with people. So I was talking to one of my best friends and he pointed out that I've never actually drawn the self-portrait.
The cross-energy class main point is to introduce you to different styles and materials you might not try for. So it was my first time working with like glaze. We had a proper pottery teacher in a proper studio and people to teach us like how to glaze and sculpt in a way that it wouldn't, get damaged.
Whatever we think of can be used. There's really no restrictions, and it's gotten me thinking in such creative ways. I've gotten to use so many skills and develop so many skills that I never would have before.
Our professor here, she is so involved. She's so easy to talk to, which can really help when you're a little bit more threatened by creating art pieces.
My goal is in this art program, students find out courageous to speak through visual art about themselves, about the world they live in. I think it's a great opportunity to develop somehow and open up your creativity source. Even for students who didn't want to art major program, it's very good to try it, do something with their hands. I think it's good for everybody. It's also relaxation.
And I really enjoyed the class, and I feel like I learned a lot about myself and the kind of art I like to enjoy, but also I got to refine the skills and allow myself more creative freedom than I have in the past.